Alright, first violin, this is a tutorial for Lullaby, Excerpt 2. This section begins in third position, so the first thing we need to do is familiarize ourselves with third position, D major. Essentially, third position is your first finger placed on the third finger tape, and the rest of your fingers follow in a sequence of whole steps and half steps. So, let's run through that. Our D major scale in third position will start on the A string, A3 in first position, but A1 in third position. Again, third position is the first finger on the third finger tape. So we've got our D, whole step to our E, whole step to our F sharp, half step to our G, then we move to our A string, first finger, which is, I'm sorry, not our A string, our E string, first finger, which is A, whole step B, whole step C sharp, half step D, descending D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, D, again, D to E, whole step, E to F sharp, whole step, F sharp to G, half step, G to A is a whole step, A to B, whole step, B to C sharp, whole step, C sharp to D, half step. First thing you want to do is get yourself playing this in a comfortable manner. And of course you want to do so in tune. So you might want to take that tuner out to ensure that your finger placements are accurate. That's the first thing you want to do. Get yourself familiar with the sequence in third position, the D major sequence in third position. So once you've got that down, then you can go to the actual excerpt. We'll break this down by measure here. So measure 19, excerpt 2 begins at measure 19. We have 1, 3, 1. This is all in third position. 19 is 1, 3, 1. Now go ahead and get your pencil and write these fingerings in as well. 19, 1, 3, 1. Measure 20 is 4 and 3. Again, that's 4 and 3. Measure 21, you're going to shift down to first position. And as you can see, my second finger is a low 2 because there is no G sharp in D major. So 21 is 4, 3, 2, 3, 1. I'm playing this out of rhythmic context. Our focus right now is finger placement. Again, measure 21 is 4, 3, 2, 3, 1. All of that is in first position. Measure 22, you are in first position as well. 4, 3, 2. It's a regular 2 now because that's a C sharp, and then a regular F sharp. So regular 2 for the F sharp, and open A. Measure 23, we begin in first position, 3, 1, and we shift to third position for that A at the end of 23. So again, we go 3, 1, shift. Now when you shift, take a look at my thumb along with my index finger. It is shifting up simultaneously with my index finger. My thumb and index fingers, you can see, is shifting up simultaneously. Nothing like this and then that, or something very tense or tight. You need to be very relaxed, and you need to essentially glide your fingers along the neck of the instrument and along the fingerboard to get up into third position. So again, 23 is 3, 1, shift to third position, 1. 24, we're in third position. 24 is 4, 3, 4 again, but on the A string, and then 1. 24 is 4, 3, 4, 1. Now take a look at that fourth finger placement on the A string, and take a look at it in relation to my third finger on the E string. They are right next to each other. As a matter of fact, that fourth finger looks like it's coming over the ring finger. It's a very tight squeeze. Again, 24 is 4, 3, 4, 1. 25 is 2, 3, 4. 25 is 2, 3, 4. 26 is 3, 2, 1, all in third position. 27 is 3, 1, 2, 1, and of course that's on the A string. 27 is 3, 1, 2, 1. 28 is 3, and you have an open A. During that open A, you're going to shift down to first position, and then for the eighth notes you have a 3 and a 2 in first position. 29 on is first position. I don't believe you need fingerings for that first position sequence beginning at 29. So that is the breakdown of your fingering patterns for excerpt 2. Please write the fingerings in on your part and begin to approach this excerpt in a very slow, concentrated and focused manner. Right now I will play it in guitar position so you can see the finger placements for measure 19. Ready? Go. I'm sorry, I played that wrong. I didn't take that shift at 21. Let's do that again. 19. Shift. Shift. Half note, shift, and you're in first position for the rest of this time. And that's excerpt 2 for you.